Hello, I am Abraxan Evelyn, the beautiful chick. Welcome to my channel, the place where you will find a lot of tricks and tips for food and beauty. Today on our menu, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful mixed vegetable salad. We will be needing kale, bell peppers of different colors, cabbage. I chose to use the purple cabbage just to add color. Minced meats. This is a combination of minced meat and minced chicken. Lemon. I'll be using the zest and the juice. Beetroot. Vinegar. Tomatoes. Seedless cucumbers, and my garlic sauce. Remember this garlic pepper sauce? I have a video up on this, you should watch it. Then coriander, grapes, and of course mixed nuts, pistachio, melon seeds, walnut. Alrighty, now salads are the easiest meals to put together. The benefits to us is that they are fortified with a lot of vitamins. Come along, let's make this bowl. You just assemble your vegetables. I started with beetroot. I'll bring in bell peppers, the purple cabbage, and it just goes like that. Like I told you, these are the easiest meals to put together. Then the red bell pepper, the seedless cucumbers, green, yellowish bell peppers, tomatoes, and grapes. You can bring in your nuts as whole, and our kale comes in next. It's basically just assembling these things together. I also chose to pound some of those nuts, so it's a mix of both crunchy and really nice nuts. Then our sauteed minced chicken and beef. Then our garlic sauce. Now, you want your salad to be really, really nice. So you have to come up with dressing for your salad. That's what I'll be using for dressing. And of course, lemon juice and the zest of the lemon. That's the back of the lemon. They just add, all of this just adds so much flavor. You see that coriander leaves? That's exactly what I just added at this point. Then you want to mix everything together. Now, why are we bringing herbs into this? You're bringing herbs into this mix because it will help to make for a very, very delicious salad. And the journey continues. Our purple cabbage, our beetroot. These are things I call substances. And the seedless cucumber. Do you think that salads are not it? By the time I'm done telling you the benefits of salad, you're gonna have to rethink it, because the secret to good salads is you want to add fresh herbs. Like I said, today I used coriander. it helps to add flavor to all of this. And when you're eating your salad as a meal, make sure you add some substances like I just did. Then at this point, I also added my apple cider vinegar. You want to add the substances because it just, makes for a very delicious salad, and it makes it a meal, like really full meal in your tummy. The method I used today for my recipe, you will not need to be using salad dressing because you see that juice, lemon lemon zest, the coriander leaves, and that garlic sauce. Those would take care of your salad dressing. It substitutes for the salad dressing. Now, you'll be wondering, why did I use grapes? That's the secret. You do not need to use salad dressing like what you have out in the market, those cream salad dressings. No. By the time you're chewing into the salad and you're popping the grapes, it is so delicious. You are still here? I paired my salad with this beautiful lamb roasted in the oven. Now, the benefits of salad to us is that they're fortified with a lot of vitamins, vitamin A, C, they're fortified with calcium, fiber, and salads, my guys, like I said, are the easiest meals to put together. Salads are the absolute choice of a healthy diet because they don't contain cholesterol. Yeah. Kale is known to lower your cholesterol. It reduces the risk of heart disease, stroke, cancer. I hear it is good for weight loss. Beetroot improves your blood flow, lowers blood pressure. Bell peppers improves your eye health, and it reduces the risk of several chronic diseases. Oh, look at how beautiful this salad is. You're still here. Please do not forget to click on the like button. Thank you. How about nuts? Eating nuts as part of a healthy diet could be very good for your heart, but excuse me, you know that nuts, they're high in calories, so you want to press the brake on the quantity you eat. And trust me, you can totally substitute the ingredients in here. You can use any nuts of your choice. And I would like to really say thank you so much for hanging out with me to this point. I really, truly appreciate. I do, honestly. Cucumbers contain very, very important minerals and vitamins, and they have very high water content, and it can lead to many potential healthy benefits. I hear they're good for weight loss also. It also lowers your blood sugar levels, and this meal I will highly recommend for diabetic patients. Yes. And if you're looking to stay healthy, I would recommend this mixed vegetable salad. Look at how beautiful this is. Why would you not want this in your body? This is so yummy. Trust me, your tummy will just be going yummy, yummy. All right, guys. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this lovely mixed vegetable salad that I will be calling MARIAMU mixed vegetable salad. because this was all my mom will eat. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. Do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much. God bless you.